The topic that we will be discussing today is the prevalence of Salmonella infections among citizens of the United States in the 21st century. Kevin Mansouri, Madeline Peters, S.D. Sherbak, Lauren Wasilewski, and Winnie Ye will be the epidemiologists presenting the research on Salmonella. Each of us will discuss different topics that pertain to Salmonella in order to educate our audience and bring awareness to the issue. My name is Esty, and I will start us off by discussing morbidity and mortality levels of Salmonella, as well as the economic impact that Salmonella has. I will conclude by reviewing the agent of disease for Salmonella. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services reports that each year there are approximately 450 deaths that result from Salmonella in the United States. More specifically, between the years of 2009 and 2015, Salmonella was observed to have the second highest mortality rate of 20% out of all foodborne illnesses. The foodborne illness with the highest mortality rate of 52% was observed to be Listeria monocytogenes. The level of morbidity is the rate or number of diseases within a certain population. In the United States, there are about 1.2 million individuals who become ill as a result of Salmonella. Such a high morbidity rate means that Salmonella also has the highest hospitalization rate of 60% out of all foodborne illnesses. This was studied and observed between the years of 2009 and 2015. Additionally, Salmonella was also seen to have the highest morbidity rate of 30% out of all foodborne illnesses. This figure summarizes morbidity and mortality rates. As seen in this figure, Salmonella has the highest hospitalization rate, the second highest morbidity rate, and also the second highest mortality rate out of all foodborne illnesses. Salmonella has a significant economic impact on the United States. Each year, Salmonella costs approximately $2.65 billion for all infections. For each individual that gets infected by Salmonella, there is an estimated cost of $1,896. This cost includes factors such as the treatment of disease, mental side effects, physical side effects, functional disability, and pain. An agent of disease is considered to be the mode of transmission from the reservoir to the host. Since Salmonella is a bacterial disease, the reservoir is typically a bacteria that resides on an animal like a cow. The bacteria is then passed on to humans through uncooked and raw meat, poultry, and eggs. The bacteria has now been passed down from the animal reservoir to the host, which is a human.